Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I need to put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have dx. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So for this one we don't have y, so you got 0. This one we have 2y and we have 16y. So we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So this one we just have only about s, and we have number 1. This one you got 0. So we see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. So we need to set up about the function fsy. Fsy equals to the integration. So I will put this one gone here, and we have 3sy. So the integration of s square, we have 6s to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we have 0. This one we have 2y. And then we have a with number 2, and that is about 16sy. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we need to simplify for the both sides, and we just have only 9y squared. Later that we put the integration for the both sides. And this one we have y to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. And this one we have 3y to the power of 3 plus c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3sy. So this one equals to this one. And now we have this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. Number 6 divided by 3, we have number 2. That is the end. Thank you for watching.